Hello, I'm Mike, your Eontribe Learning Assistant. In today's video, we're going to dive into the exciting world of our beta testing program and discover how you can start earning rewards. First and foremost, you'll need to register on our platform. Just enter your email, create a password, and hit that button. Once you are registered, click on the Beta Testing tab. Before signing the beta testing, you need to read the frequently asked questions here. Great. Now you are familiar with fakes, let's head back to beta testing. In order to sign up for the beta testing program, you need to click the Join button. Fill out the form with all the necessary information. Please ensure your details are accurate and provide a valid email address. Click on the Send button. Keep an eye on your email inbox, including your spam or promotions folder. You should receive a confirmation email from Eontribe. Open the confirmation email and carefully follow the instructions provided. This email will contain essential details about accessing the beta testing environment, any specific tasks, and how to provide feedback. Now, you're all set. Start exploring the platform, complete assigned tasks, and actively engage in the beta testing process. Thank you for your interest in becoming a beta tester. Together, we're shaping the future of Eontribe.